getting ready for our pig to have her piglets. And we have, let's see, it's Tuesday and she's supposed to farrow on Saturday. So we are getting her a farrowing hut ready. We've been putting it off for a while, but we're finally getting it finished. And what we are doing is we're using our chicken roof that we were using for our chickens. Let me show you. So this is the roof that we had for our chicken tractor for our meat birds. And we weren't like 100% happy with how it worked out. It was just hard to get underneath. But we're gonna use it for our farrowing hut for our pig. What, hon?
Gotta wait for the train to go by.
Oh, okay. So we just got it off the truck and we're trying to get it down the hill to the pig. Yep. So we're gonna right down there. Here we go. Okay, so we got it down this far. And the pig is here in the way, so I'm gonna try to distract her and see if she'll come with me. Come on, come on. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, MayBelle. Stay over here with me. Okay, I'm going. Keep it coming. Good girl. That's a good girl. Oh, yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go this way. Come on. There you go. Keep it coming. Good girl. That's my girl. You're a good piggy. You're a good piggy. You got the wiggles. Good job. You like a back rubbing, don't you? Let's see how your belly's looking. Oh yeah. We're gonna have some piggies soon. You like to be in the middle of everything, don't you? Yeah.
Alright, keep that pig off that thing.
Okay, I will try my best.
You just don't let her. I don't know. She'll probably knock it over.
Okay. They're getting some stuff, so I'm gonna give her a massage. She loves it. She wiggles back and forth. Oh yeah. Love it, don't you? Love it. That feels good. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Don't go over that way. You're not supposed to go towards the shed. Ah! Come here. Come here. MayBelle, come here. Come here. Come here. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. It's okay. It's okay. MayBelle, it's all right, honey. Aww. Is she? Hi. She wants to know what everything is. All right. Oh, over the left side? I thought I was going to look on this side. Sorry. What will you do? She just slid. Did she? Yeah.
It's in forward or reverse.
It's in reverse now. I got it. Okay. Oh, I just dropped it.
That's not good.
No.
You have to find it. Put both feet on this side. So it breaks through, it doesn't come and hit your leg. Because that don't mess your foot up. Yeah. Okay. So look, you don't want to do this and it breaks through the leg. No. Goes like that.
Not you, I was talking to MayBelle. Hey guys, so we have been working on this all evening and it's been really dark, so we have not had a chance to film much of anything, and it's really cold. And in the morning I'll come back over and I'll show you everything that he's done, but it's awesome.
Quit biting my foot.
So this is like our Farrowing manger, but she's already been in here nesting. So we put her down some straw and she's already been like making a little nest. So they said that she needs this like at least 5 days before, so we're right there at the time, and I think she's loving it. So we'll see tomorrow if she's in here sleeping in the morning when we come. Right, MayBelle? You gonna smile for the camera? You gonna smile for the camera? Oh, that's a good girl. You're a good girl.
She needs to get to bed. It's past her bedtime.
Yeah, and she likes to chew on Nick's
stop
tools,
it.
so we have
Stop
to constantly watch her so she doesn't chew on his
She's
tools.
bad as the goats.
All right, go back to bed. So I'll show you guys in the morning. Good morning, MayBelle. All right, well, I went ahead and fed her and made sure she had plenty of water, because if not, she pushes me and wants to be in the middle of everything. So I'm gonna head over here and see how the Pharaoh Wing manger looks this morning. Let's go check it out. All right, so she's right there eating. Let's go over here and see how the manger held up last night and see if she went in there and decided to nest any. Oh, it looks so good. It was hard to really see it in the dark last night with our little battery operated lanterns. But yeah, this looks really nice. Aw. Can't really tell if she's done much. We've got to secure that side. But other than that, it looks great. I think it's gonna work out really well for her. Keep her out of the rain and the wind. Keep her, oh yeah, she definitely slept in here last night. Yeah, definitely. So we've had differing opinions on what kind of bedding we should have. I've had some people tell me straw, some people tell me hay, some people tell me to have just like junk hay that's not very good. So I went ahead and listened to one of my friends that's a veterinarian. They said that hay can have food value. So because it can have food value, it can harbor like mites and bacteria, and you don't want your piglets born into a pile of bacteria. So she said it would be best if you go with the straw. Plus, straw is more hollow and it absorbs more water, so that's also a benefit. But so we went with straw, and this was a little dusty last night. I bought it from a farmer down the road, but it was a little dusty, but we kind of shook it out some, and hopefully it'll be good for the piglets when they get here. We have, let's see, today's Wednesday and she's due on Saturday. So hopefully this will be great for her and the piglets, and they'll do really well. Okay, let's go tell MayBelle bye and go home, get some breakfast, and take care of the dogs. I already got the boy goats taken care of. I need to go take care of the dogs. Let's see if she's tipped her water. Hopefully not. It's me, girl. Don't be scared. The good thing about wintertime is that all the mushy ground is frozen. So that's pretty nice. All right, MayBelle. And the poop. The poop's frozen too. Bye, girlfriend. You do good, okay? Take care of those babies in there. See how they're hanging. Looking good. You're looking good, girlfriend. All right, I'll see you later. I'll be back to check on you.
All right, so we're back over at the farm trying to finish off the farrowing pen. Basically, I've ended up putting a tarp on it because I had some snow coming here tonight, tomorrow and the next day. Didn't realize it was coming. It kind of snuck up on me, so I built the pen the way I built it, and it had some pretty big holes in it. So we're putting this tarp over it so it'll be nice and dry and good to go for us the day of. So the day is supposed to be today, but she is not ready. So she's taken all this, she's pulling some grass from the surrounding area here, and she's going in and starting to actually nest with it. So we gave her two full bales of straw that she's been sleeping in for a while, and she definitely prefers this to the other pig house that I have built for her. She hasn't been in it since we put this one up, but we're gonna go and stretch this tarp out and put it on some T-posts and try to get it to where we can have some dry area in case it's snowing while she's delivering, and you know, in case it rains or keep the wind off us.
Good morning, everyone. So I've been in bed for the past week because I'm sick with COVID, and I've been trying not to give it to everybody else. And Nick just called from the farm, and there's 6 baby piglets already on the ground. So he called for Athea to come help him, and I'm heading over to see the piglets and to see if I can help. He says that we've already lost 2 of them, but we're trying to head over there to see if we can help. So we'll show you as soon as we get there.
Well, I came over here to check on the pig this morning, and she has had her babies. So it looks like she had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 9. 2 of them looks like maybe she laid on them and killed them, unfortunately. But she seems to be doing okay, and the babies seem okay. There they are. I was not expecting this because based on all our research, she wasn't showing all the signs that she was ready to go. So I don't know. I'm gonna go and try to get this taken care of and make sure everybody's healthy and happy. And I'll be back. Everything seems okay. Gave it a once over. I don't see any more dead ones in the straw or in the nest or anything. So she seems like she's okay. She's staying close, and they're staying right up on her, and they're all pretty good and warm. And I'm gonna go ahead and drop the tarp and try to keep them as warm as I can over here. But I'd say based on the nest she has, they should be fine as long as she doesn't lay on them. But it may be a long day for me over here keeping an eye on them. So MayBelle's eating her post-delivery breakfast, and piggies are over there in a little pig pile waiting on Mom to come back. I just checked them. They're all plenty warm, and they're all pretty happy, just sleeping away. And she hasn't stopped eating since we put the feed down, which is pretty normal. So the girls are on their way over, and I guess they're gonna help me. And I'm probably gonna have to go home and get some supplies that I thought I needed for tomorrow or the next day. Because as far as like showing the signs that she was ready to farrow, it didn't really have all the signs we researched, other than she decided to nest. So it definitely was a big surprise to me this morning when I came over and found them here. But pretty happy about it. Unfortunately, like I said before, we lost 2. It looks like she had just laid on them, because when I got here they were still pretty warm. So it's always sad, but that's part of it, I guess. I guess if I'd had a bump bar in like a lot of guys use, or a lot of people use, that may have helped that. But I don't know, based on where they were, the bump bar I was going to put was going to be back along the back wall. They were over here on the side. So I don't know if that would have done any good or not. I guess I would have had to put it all the way around. Anyway, that's lessons learned for next time. It's been maybe 2 hours. Pig has been eating like crazy. She's been very, very hungry. She's on about, she's probably eaten 7 or 8 pounds already, and probably has another 7 or 8 to go. The babies are back there sleeping, all huddled up. We put a warm bottle of water back there. It's not real sure, first time through it. Think that'll help them be okay. And well, like I said before, I thought we had a couple days, so I didn't have a bump bar put up. So I went home and grabbed some 2x4s and some tools and threw this bump bar up pretty quick. I don't know that it's 100% effective, but you know, it's better than what we can do. So, or better than nothing, I should say. So we ended up rummaging through some of the nesting here and did find two more dead babies that looks like she laid on last night. So yeah, I guess lesson learned: don't trust everything you read. Yeah. If you're supposed to be the 15th of January, be out here the 15th of January. You know, we based on some of the characteristics of the pig that we read, we didn't think it was anywhere near. So
there was no wetness, and there was no milk or anything. So, and some of them still aren't expressing any milk, like this one is, and this one. But none of the others, there's only 4 teats that are expressing milk, and it doesn't come out freely. So we didn't know that she was going to be in labor this soon.
So at least now we don't have to worry about when she's going to have them. But the bad thing is right now we've got, I I don't know, 8 to 10 inches of snow coming today, between today and tomorrow. So we got to make a decision on what we're going to do. Do we camp out over here and just try to wait out the storm kind of thing, which I don't think is very wise, but maybe we just fill her feeder up and hope the bump bar does its job and these 6 can make it through the night and partial part of the next day until we can get over here and wait for the roads to get cleared. So it's taking an awful lot. This pig does not have a lot of motherly instincts. She doesn't know to lay on her side. She lays straight up and down on her teats. Piglets haven't gotten much milk, but they're starting to figure it out. So hopefully we'll be all right now. We'll see. So one recommendation I have, even though we're just brand new getting into this, is to have a fairly large space, a nice tall space, because, you know, I mean, we're probably, that's a 4-foot sheet of plywood on the back wall, so we have at least 4 feet. You can see Katura standing up. She's bent over, but she's still fairly upright. I don't see how we would do this if we only had a 3.5 foot space. So everything seems to be going well, but we will hopefully it keeps going well. But yeah, like I said, you know, this is basically 8 by 8, and then I've got this tarp hanging down because I don't know if you can hear it. It's raining right now. It's supposed to be snowing a whole bunch, but I can raise this tarp up, and we'll have basically 8 foot by 20 feet worth of dry space that we could work in. So not having a barn, this is really about the best I can ask for being out in the woods. So, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. Well, we're a few hours in now, and things are kind of getting routine. Piglets are back there. They stay back there and sleep, and Mama comes up here and eats and drinks, and then goes back and lays down, and they wake up and nurse a little bit, and then starts all over. So hopefully this keeps up this smooth, and I can go home and get a good night's sleep and not have to worry, but we'll see.
No. Good job, baby piggy. Good job. Watch out again. Need help?
There we go. We're 6 for 6. They're all eating and looks like they're happy. She finally figured out that she's got to lay on her side. Bump bar works pretty good as far as this particular instance. Hopefully it'll keep up like this, but we will see.
We are just now leaving the farm, and look at all this snow. It was all nice and cozy underneath our tarps. But a lot of snow is coming down. Shoo! I just pray we can get back in the morning. Yeah. The piglets are doing okay tomorrow.
It's pretty good traction. As snow goes.
Oh my goodness. It is pretty.
Not too slick. See how the driveway does.
Yeah.
Just hope I don't hit the tractor.
Yeah, me too.
All right, so we came over this morning to check on the pig and the babies, and this is pretty much how we found it. Had the tarp draped last night, and I got a log here holding it down. But basically, came in, and MayBelle was up eating a little bit of food she had left, and came in to see all her little ones are still alive and kicking and running around and look pretty healthy, and they feel nice and warm. And Mom is filling up on some fresh food, and we just gave her some fresh water, and she's changed her nest around a little bit. It's pretty incredible to see how she can manage that. But we got a little bit of work here to do, not much. Mostly we're shoveling out the pen so it doesn't, or the the room here so it doesn't get too smelly, but overall it doesn't smell too bad. So we were pretty pleased to see everyone was alive, and the roads were actually passable. We did get about 6 inches of snow last night when we thought we were going to get about a foot, but we got mostly rain. So that was good thing that we were able to make it over and everyone's here. So we'll see how we do today.
Okay, it's day 3, and the little ones are wandering around a little bit. We still have not seen her letting them eat without assistance from us. So that's been a concern.
We haven't been over here that much
because we got like, I think 6 more inches of snow. And I've been sick, and Fia's been sick, and anyway, we have not seen her do it. Like when we walk in, she's laying down, but she's laying on her teats. So we're getting kind of concerned that maybe she's not letting them when we're not here. The only time we've seen her nurse them is the first day. Excuse me, it's the first day, and that was when, oh, she's getting into it. And that was when we rolled her over and forced her to roll over, and then she nursed them. All right, she's wanting this straw pretty bad, babe. I know, you're wanting to nest some more, aren't you? Make a bigger nest. Mama's over there eating, and the babies are getting comfy. Hi, little one. How are you? You're not even a full 3 days. This is your 3rd day here, but not a full 3rd day. Oh my goodness, you're so cute. Hi, other little one. You all are precious. You're doing good. Hey, can you tell me something? Is Mama feeding you? You look pretty healthy. Is she letting you eat? Huh? Is she letting you eat, babies? Or does she hide her milk from you? I hope not. I sure hope not. You all seem to be doing pretty good. You doing all right? Oh.
It doesn't smell like bad here now.
Good.
It smells a little bit, relatively speaking. It smells good. I don't know what it smells like.
Knock it out of your way.
You don't like that. Where are you going to put it, dude? You build it up to them?
Look here, girls. Here, girls and boys. There's some new straw. What's that one, watcher?
Okay, get out of my way. I'm trying to work here.
Oh, that was sweet, MayBelle. I'd say one thing, you're good at nesting. We could just get the nursing down.
Like, man, this stuff is way better than that crap I used at the beginning. It's all bunched together.
I think it's cute when she looks over at him. Oh, one's coming this way. What? You're so silly.
That's definitely a different side of pigs than we've ever seen. I've never seen any like instinctual habits of them.
Look at that. Well, how are you gonna find them? How are they gonna get to your nipples?
I don't think she cares about that.
I don't either.